Well, this is a song of brothel. Huh? So, how this is connected to this case? Connected, related. Well, I slept, I had a long nap. I woke up, the time is somewhere around 1847. Is it audible? So this is a song of brothel. How this is connected to this case? Few of the prostitutes saw. Hey Baba, why you are stopping that song? Acha, my brother don't want to hear that song. Okay, he wants to have a breakfast. So I'll tell you how that. Anyways, you got the start. You got the beginning. So. Prostitutes from Chembur West have targeted my house. Look, they targeted my sister, they targeted my family, they targeted my sister from US, they targeted me, me the most. They wanted our property. So those prostitutes, what they really wanted is money. Why they sell their pussy for? What? In return, what they take? Money. Why do they sell their for giving their pussy? What do they sell? So here's one change now. When that rickshawala runs that prostitution, when I came to know, so I have to go into their prostitution racket to expose that these are sex video makers which make nudes inside my house too. And this one. And after going that, I didn't keep quiet. I gave it to police. After going there, I have to give it to police. Look, emails are there. Emails are there. Portal complaints are there. That I went there and what do you call it? A blackmail shit is happening in their prostitution racket. Andheri and Bandra. So now I come to know it's Mumbai Pune connected same way. These scammers from Palava city are connected to Chembur West. Few of them who bought these stolen drives and animated papers. So this is a big, large scale racket. And some are forced in prostitution, some are caged in prostitution, some are emotionally blackmailed for prostitution. Some are tricked in prostitution. They don't know yet. They just push them in front, go, it's just a fog. Nothing happens. And once it starts, it becomes a habit. Some are blackmailed for prostitution. So this racket, the bank transaction people holds their names. Yes. So this transaction, those transactions are made by a pimp to prostitutes, but the client list is erased. Look, content and all, it's a very small scale business. The business which they are running is prostitution and bank fraud. It's a big money making business. Prostitution, look, 30 Ks for 1 hour. The women are selling their husband's asses, their father's asses. You get it? So, this is a flesh trade, this is a flesh business. And look, hidden camera from nudes, it's not a skin business. What is this? It's a scent business, clothing business. They were recording nude and putting artificial clothes on it. This is skin business, this is nude business. English one. This is sex business. This is called prostitutes. and over that we got confession. We mean the entire country got confession that those are the men who work in the bank. Those are the men. Anyways, those are the men who, and those prostitutes from Chembur West are connected to few over here with the same bank account, hold their name or people over here name, and it's done then. No need to just go through that transaction from past 3 years, because one person, the pimp, paying them, paying here, and for what? For their sex. Yeah, that song.